How to deactivate TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account within the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to deactivate TikTok account, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app and then select profile in the bottom menu. Once you get to your TikTok profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app and then select settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, select account and then just select deactivate or delete account at the bottom. After that, just select deactivate account. And this just gives you some information of what that means. Your account will no longer be visible to anyone. And all you need to do to reactivate your TikTok account at any time is simply log back into your account. Then you can use it again and it'll start showing back up on TikTok. From here, simply select deactivate at the bottom. It'll send you a quick verification code. Enter the code and then select deactivate account and your TikTok account will be temporarily deactivated. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.